How to make money during COVID-19. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. With all these negative headlines you see every day, the world is having a lockdown, you can't travel, there are so many news about retail shops closing down and millions of people got laid off. But in today's video, I'm going to show you that it is possible to make money during COVID-19. In fact, the sales are booming for these 4 methods. The first method is online business. The pandemic hit my country, Malaysia, around mid-March. Honestly, my sales were affected because people started to go panic when our government announced a lockdown. So you can see in my sales report that I only started profiting in April. In fact, from April onwards, my sales started to boom. I want you to think about this. If retail shops are closing and people can't even go out, where do you think they do all their shopping? Obviously online. So this is the perfect time to leverage on the online world. I know some of you here are afraid of stocking up inventories, don't know where to get the stock to sell. So I'm going to show you my screen on one of the dropshipping methods that has worked well for me. Alright, I'm on this website called Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is by China. I know a lot of coaches out there will coach people on how to do dropshipping via Shopify. That's a good method as well, but I have personally tried using this method and it works for me. So I think I can show this to you on how it actually works via Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is by China, so a lot of products inside Alibaba.com are cheap. And if you are intending to do dropshipping, you want your cost price to be as cheap as possible so that your profit margin can be as wide as possible. Does this make sense for you? Just a disclaimer before we start is that I'm not coaching on dropshipping. This is just my personal experience. What I'm coaching on is actually helping people to make additional income using their passion. So whoever who wants to make additional income via doing what they like. Dropshipping, for me, I don't claim it as a passion because for dropshipping, you are just doing for the sake of earning money. But for me, I'm more towards using your passion, whatever do you like doing, like fitness and all this thing, baking and all right? But this one is just a method that I've used and it actually works. So let's say I'm looking for kickstand, okay? Because a lot of people bake during COVID-19 period right now. A lot of people are stuck at home, so they start to bake. Probably this one is a good business to start. All right, so I'm inside kickstand now. What you want to do is, because like I say, you want to have the lower cost price, okay? The lower, the better. So how you can find out which one has the lower cost price is via contacting them. Don't just judge from all this amount right here because this one is just a wide range of whatever they have. But you want to be specific on what other products they have. Not like they are going to put everything here. So what you want to do is to contact the supplier. Let's say I see this one, all right? So I'm going to contact the supplier. All right, quantity, let's say you're looking for, I don't know, 20 of it, okay? Just an estimate because later on, I'm going to let you know why I'm doing this, all right? Maybe you just say, I'm just, like randomly picking. I'm just randomly picking it. But this one is the crucial part. So the message here, I want you to be typing something like this. So this one has worked very well for me. And the intention of you sending message to contact the supplier is not to purchase the item. It's not to purchase the item. It is just for the sake of you contacting the supplier to get their catalog. The reason why you want to get the catalog is because you can compare the prices with each of the supplier. Okay, so in this message part, you can say like, "Hi, Valerie." Okay, her name is Valerie. You can see that it's Valerie here, okay, from Jiangmen. Valerie Wei from Jiangmen. So you can say, "Hi, Valerie. I'm Clara, and I'm representing a company that specializes in baking. So we are actually very interested to work with you. Is it possible to have your product catalogs. So is it possible to have your product catalog so I can know? So we can discuss on what other items we can take from you. Okay, something like this, all right? I'm not using it in a proper English, but something like this. So you can go like, hi, Valerie, I'm Clara. I'm representing a company that specializes in baking. So you want to tell the supplier that you're actually specializing in baking. So therefore, they will have they are more likely to work with you because they know you are specializing in baking, so they know that you might be getting more items from them rather than just a cake stand because you are specializing in baking. So you say that you're interested to work with them and you want to have their product catalogs. Okay, the reason why you want to say all this is because you want to know you want them to know that you're specializing in baking so that you can have their product catalog. Then you can say that you can email me at abc@gmail.com. Thank you. Okay, then after that, you just click on send inquiry now. After that, you're just going to wait for the person to revert it back to you. Now, the quantity that you put here, don't put like one quantity because Alibaba is a supplier website where people buy from them in bulk. Okay, if you are going to purchase only one piece, probably they won't even reply to this email. So because you want the catalog, so you can put like 100 quantities, 20 quantities to gauge their interest into replying you. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you. The second method is to learn closing skill. This is one of the most powerful high income skills ever. Many times people buy something isn't because they understand what you sell, because they feel understood. Closing is a skill that enables you to ask a few simple questions and the right questions, which eventually allows you to close the deal on spot. Why I know this is a powerful skill? Because I'm a coach and I hire closers. For instance, my prospects usually go through an application process because I'm coaching one-on-one, so I want to know whether or not they are the right fit. Oftentimes, me as a coach, I don't have the skill set to ask the right questions. And if my prospects say, let me think about it, I'll just say, okay, I'll follow up with you then. The moment when you say you will follow up with them, you know you're going to lose that sale because prospect lie all the time. But you say it anyway because you just don't know how to counter that objection. Many entrepreneurs and business owners have lost millions and in fact billions worth of deals because of these objections. So if you can learn how to close and close for them, you can earn a lot of money. I'm not even kidding. Imagine if the deal is 10 grand and you can take a 10% commission just by asking a few correct questions. All you need to do is to pick up 10 calls a month to earn 10 grand. If you're interested to know more about closings, I'll put the link in the description box down below so you may check it out after this video. The third way is to learn digital marketing. Job no longer pays the bill. Skill is what pays the bill. And digital marketing is one of the high income skills that you can learn. Regardless of how small or big a business is, as long as a person is in the business, he or she will want customers. The more the merrier. People want customers during good times. People want even more customers during bad times, like COVID-19 period now. So they are always in desperate mode in attracting more customers to their business. If at this time you're willing to pick up digital marketing skills, be a hero and save them, you can make so much money from this. Take Facebook ads as an example. You can argue that many people know how to boost ads on Facebook, but 95% of the time they are targeting the wrong audience. That's why it's called high income skill. The last method is to make money out of your passion with the correct strategies, like turning your knowledge into an online course or create content. COVID-19 periods means everyone is staying at home. And what do people do when they stay at home and they feel bored? They start using their phone for entertainment. They will check Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all social media platforms. I used to upload TikTok videos and teach people how to dress up before I realized it wasn't something I enjoyed doing. But my point is, since there's so many people consuming content online now, and you can start producing content, like start a YouTube channel or create an online course, you're going to attract so many people. I've talked in depth about how to sell your knowledge packaged into a course in this video, so you can click it here. I will also leave the link in the description box so that you can check it out after this video. These are the 4 powerful ways to earn money during this tough period. Don't forget to check out these 2 awesome videos as well. Remember, we are all in this together. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.